The highlight of today was at least a little bit of sunshine following the light sprinkles and even enough snow to cover the ground in a couple of spots northeast of Grand Rapids. That is all over now. Back to the cloud cover. 13 weather ball, though, is red. We're getting into the 40s ahead everywhere here during the day tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Very thin overcast right now, but it will become cloudy overnight. And tomorrow, most of the day will be dry. There could be a couple of sprinkles here and there, but with a wind turning around more to the south, we'll start to see our temperatures up into the mid 40s. Little late afternoon sunshine looking good across the area. We had one little disturbance go through this morning. Kind of pulled this stationary front up to our north and east, and we saw a couple of sprinkles and leaving enough snow to cover the ground over toward Lowell up around Rockford. And that is all over. Tonight we're going to see a repeat of this as that little low pressure system out here in South Dakota brings a little bit of light rain in the morning tomorrow, maybe not even as much as we saw today. The main system will come out here on Thursday. This is a pretty good system. It is trending further south and east though with the latest model runs. It will start out as some rain on Thursday and then transition over to some snow on the back edge of that Thursday night, but that system is quickly pulling away. We'll see the heavier accumulation with snow, especially southeast of Grand Rapids. And over the weekend, we're going to start to open up some breaks late in the day Friday. Saturday, we may become mostly cloudy, and we may open up a few breaks on Sunday. But all the way around, we're going to dodge a bullet, I think, with this next storm system. In terms of rainfall, we're only going to see 1/10 of an inch here overnight tonight and tomorrow morning. We'll see a little bit more on that system coming up here on Thursday. We'll be on the back edge of that with the heavier amounts from Indianapolis through Cleveland all the way up through Toronto and Montreal. In terms of snowfall, this is the latest model run showing the heavier snow now trending further to the south and east. We may just see a few tenths of an inch with that as that exits the region on Thursday night. So again, quiet weather pattern shaping up. Highs tomorrow, mid 40s here in Grand Rapids after several days in the 30s. We'll be in the mid 30s though on Thursday, and on Friday we'll be in the low 30s and we'll stay in the 30s over much of the weekend. Looking farther ahead, January 16th through the 20th, that's during our 10-day period, high chances it will stay warmer than average and high chances that we will see more precipitation. For tonight though, mainly cloudy skies, looking for temperatures bottoming out in the mid 30s. Northern zone, low in mid 30s here with a southeast wind continuing under mostly cloudy skies. Similar here in the greater Grand Rapids area, down into the low and mid 30s. 13 on your side forecast. After a few showers here tomorrow, the rain moves in on Thursday, ending with a little bit of snow Thursday night with falling temperatures. 32 Friday, right now dry Saturday and Sunday. Another big system next week with 40s with some rain next Monday and Tuesday.
I woke up to some snow on my grass this morning, and we could see a little more later this week.
Yeah, and you know what? It's nice to have it freshen things up. Chief Meteorologist George Lessons here with the answer of whether or not we're going to have enough to maybe go snowmobiling.
Nope.
That's your answer.
That's your answer.
Okay.
Nope.
Don't see any major systems affecting West Michigan over the next several days, guys. Might see a little light rain tomorrow, but I think the best bet for some active weather will be on Thursday. We'll break that down in a minute. 13 weather ball tonight is red. Warmer weather ahead. Everyone into the 40s tomorrow. And this view sponsored by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. Did make it into the 40s along the lakeshore where there was some sunshine. We saw a little bit here in Grand Rapids, but we stopped short at 39. Our average is 31, so any day above 31 is a warmer than average day. We did forecast 38 today, came within 1 degree of our forecast high. We've done that 3 days in a row. Upper level system, upper level winds always drive the systems down here at the surface. The next major one is out west here, and that is traversing the country pretty quickly. This is Thursday's rain changing over to a little bit of snow, but the trend is taking the snow further and further to the east with the latest model runs. And then we continue with a southwest flow through the weekend. So our temperatures next week are going to be warming up. There'll be a couple of rounds of some rain coming through the region. When this winds are out of the southwest, it's very hard to get cold temperatures here in West Michigan, so no snowmobiling weather. A couple of sprinkles off to our north and east, mainly cloudy skies the rest of the night. A model's trying to print out a couple of sprinkles of rain again tomorrow morning. Not any more than what we saw today. Tomorrow night there'll be a few scattered showers as well, but the main impact system will be coming in on Thursday. This is going to bring in a lot of rain with it, trending a little bit more to the south and east now. So the rain will change over to a little bit of rain and snow mixed by the end of the day here in Grand Rapids, but it's going to quickly race to the east. So I don't think we're going to see a lot of snow here in West Michigan. Don't think there's going to be as much as has been forecast over toward the Detroit area either. Skies actually may become mostly sunny later in the day on Friday, so some sunshine to end our week. More clouds than anything on Saturday, and even on Sunday, a dry day despite some late day clearing. Let's take a look at where the rain will be. This is all rain. Tomorrow morning, just enough to wet the ground, a little bit more here on Thursday into Thursday night. And in terms of snowfall, models keep pushing now the snow further south and east, inch to maybe 3.5 inches over toward the Port Huron area. 1/10 of an inch, you probably wouldn't even notice that here in West Michigan. We'll update that tomorrow, of course. A few showers here tomorrow. Temperatures in the mid and upper 40s, very similar to today. A couple of spots a little bit warmer. Maybe a little bit of breaks in the clouds as well. Low and mid 40s up north, which is warmer than today. A couple of showers are certainly not out of the question. And a couple of early morning showers as well into the early afternoon. Otherwise, mid 40s across the region. 13 on your side forecast. Right now, cool and dry, maybe a bit of sun Friday through Sunday. Next week, warming up again, back into the 40s Monday, Tuesday, into Wednesday with rain mostly on the holiday and Tuesday. Maybe a little rain, snow the following Thursday.